Asset health monitoring can eliminate unplanned downtime costs and failures within your assets at your manufacturing plant using IIoT sensors installed precisely on your factory floor, whether it be a conveyor line with a bearing or a CNC lathe. These sensors use accelerated RMS, velocity, and temperature to see if a bearing is having vibrations way ahead of time, so you can schedule preventative maintenance rather than it happening on the floor, your bearing goes out or anything like that, and then you're struggling to find a case. You can schedule maintenance plans based off of trends of vibrations that are happening within your assets. Via the cloud, you can get real-time updates on your assets in your manufacturing plant. For example, on here, we have them installed on a motor and 2 bearings, and you can actually go on your phone or any wireless connected device and get real-time asset monitoring to your 3 assets. And as you see, we actually pushed an alarm level, which is set based off of the manufacturer's spec on the bearings or whatever your machine might be. And I can actually click on this and get real time saying this inboard bearing right here is having a fault, and I can actually see from my couch at my house or anywhere in the world, as long as I have internet access, how my factory floor is running and being kept up with. With these sensors, you can actually pull data from the cloud, but you can also go back in historical data from months back and actually see when the fault was caused. You can actually zoom in very heavily to see if all your assets are at different values. So you can take action and use your preventative maintenance schedule, so you can schedule this in downtime rather than have unplanned downtime. My name is Andrew Krejci. I'm a technology project manager here at Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership at Georgia Tech. If you'd like to learn more about asset health monitoring or any technology that may be able to help your business, please feel free to contact us.